Hey there, I am Chris Palmer. In today's Black Hat SEO Tools video, what I'd like to share with you is a list of Black Hat tools that you could start utilizing today in order to increase your SEO efforts. So I don't want to waste any time, but before I get into the video, I want to let you know up front, I'm not affiliated with any of these tools. I do not have any referral links. I just want to share with you some tools that I like to use, that I have used, that I'm currently using. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. So the very first tool, or the first thing I want to share with you, not Black Hat, but it's my own services at services.chrispalmermarketing.com. Check it out. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and move into the very first tool. If you haven't heard of it, it's called Icy Leads. So definitely have a visit at Icy Leads if you're doing any type of looking for business owners, looking for emails, in the e-commerce space or any space. This can certainly help you get information for backlink outreach and a lot of other details. Check it out. It's called Icy Leads. Phenomenal tool. Moving into the next tool, we're going to head back over here to Google. I'll share with you another one. This tool here, I think you will really like. I know that these cloud properties are pretty hot right now. I saw Jasper created one of these tools. Jasper Nielsen, I believe. He has a cloud stacking program, I believe. Currently at this time, I haven't tried it out yet, or it would have made the list, but I haven't tested it out yet. But one that I have tried out is called Staxio. All right, Drive Stack Creator. Now, what's really good about Staxio is they actually utilize the older version of the API, I believe, in order to give you the old public files. So you're able to create effective Google Drive stacks pretty seamlessly, pretty easily. So if you're interested in creating Drive stacks, if you're in local markets, low competition markets, then Cloud Pages are great for you. If you're in low competition markets, medium type competition, this tool could certainly help you out. And let's keep moving on. And this is Staxio. Again, this is for building out Drive stacks. Staxio.tools. Let's keep going on here. The next one, staying in the same class of sites. If you like cloud sites, you know, before some of the newer tools came out, the one that I've been using, I've been using this one for quite some time. This is a really great tool. It is called Buffer Site Wizard. All right, so Buffer Site Wizard. It's buffersites.com, a phenomenal tool. I've been using this for years now. It's absolutely phenomenal. I actually have it here on my system. Buffer Sites is certainly a phenomenal software. It's a great piece of technology for building out your Azure clouds, for building out pretty much just about any of the clouds. I wanted to go ahead and log in, but I have all my sites in there. I thought twice before I went ahead and did it. But in any case here, go ahead and take a look. You can do S3, you can do, so that's Amazon, you could do Azure. I'm pretty sure you can go in there and set up anything that's FTP-based, static websites. It's absolutely phenomenal. Check out buffersites.com. If you're looking for an inexpensive solution that's not monthly recurring and you want to create buffer sites or basically cloud properties inexpensively, this is certainly a great option. Let's keep moving on here. The next one is going to be yet another scraper, one that I really like, Octo Parser. So if you're trying to scrape details from pretty much any site, right? Almost any site. One of the tools that's really highly recommended for this type of activity, one that I've used in the past. I haven't had to run any campaigns recently, but when you're looking for details from maybe social media or doing other scraping, Octo Parse is certainly a phenomenal tool. So check it out. It looks like they're doing a deal. You know, again, I'm not affiliated in any way, but they're just giving me all kinds of offers here. So check it out if you want to maybe scrape social media profiles. Maybe you're doing some web scraping. This is a phenomenal tool. Another one that fits right in this realm of scraping, and it could be definitely considered more of a grayer hat tool, is going to be Phantom Buster. You know, but Phantom Buster, Octoparse, if I had to put them next to each other, I would go Octoparse, but I know that Phantom Buster is certainly a good tool. Check that one out as well if you want. It's completely up to you. Now, I'll keep going with these tools. As far as doing black hat or gray hat SEO, when we're looking for domains of sorts, it's always very helpful to maybe get expired or auction or auctioning or recently drop type domains. So I'll go ahead and give you a quick one. It's called NIDOMA, Nidoma. So this is a back order placing service. They've been around a very long time. You can feel free to go ahead and check this out. Nidoma's really good. Spamzilla is also another good one that you could go ahead and check out if you want to. But this is a training. I have no idea who that is. But Spamzilla is actually a place to find or to help you sort through expired and auctioning domains. So this is Spamzilla.com. So that's Spamzilla. So we will keep going on here. Now, one of the tools that I really like as far as scraping things out, as far as maybe you want to generate some traffic, maybe you want to create a tool. If I can recommend any, I really like Puppeteer. And the reason why I like Puppeteer is because you can actually configure it to be non-headless. So you can either have a headless or non-headless. What I meant to say is you can actually configure it to be a head. It actually will have a head instead of headless browsing. So you know that most automated tools are going to be headless. What's great about Puppeteer is you can, if you're a coder or you're experienced at coding, you can actually create a automation software using Puppeteer that's a non-headless. So it will actually have a head on it like a normal browser. So let's keep going on here. I will move into the next one. So as far as automated backlink building, you know that I love GSA. So GSA SER. All right. So Google search engine ranker. I said Google. So it's GSA search engine ranker. Now what's really great here is, yes, they have an automated link building feature. They have one of their softwares is an automated link building tool. However, they have a plethora of different products that they offer. Everything from form filling to, they also have content generators, which I've used that. It's not the best in my opinion. An indexer, maybe not the best. The two that I use that I love is GSA SER for automated backlink building, and the other one is called the website submitter, which is basically an auto form submitter. So maybe you're doing a lot of form submissions, but more notably for citations. If you want to be able to do citations really quick, check out Website Submitter. And if you want to automate your backlink building, definitely, it's been a staple in my grayer hat activities. GSA SER has been around forever. It's a phenomenal tool, and no black hat SEO tool video could be created without mentioning GSA and also Scrape Box, right? So Scrape Box, again, the Swiss Army knife of SEO, phenomenal tool. Everything from scraping and posting and creating accounts and finding Web 2.0s, expired Web 2.0s. They do everything. It's crazy. So check out scrapebox.com, GSA SER. We already talked about that. We'll keep going here. An oldie but a goodie. I'm not sure how long it's been since it's been updated, but for you Web 2.0 creators out there, if you love Web 2.0s, if you want to be able to do it a lot faster, maybe you don't want Website Submitter from GSA SER, a really good one is AutoClickMagic.com. Whoop. Let me just, AutoClickMagic. All right. Oh! Autofill Magic. Oh, maybe it's down. I find that hard to believe. Autofill Magic Web 2.0 creator. I've had a license for this since 2016. No, it's Autofill Magic. Maybe I spelt it wrong, but in any case, I don't know how long it's been since it's been updated. Some of the sites were working the last time that I was in there. It comes with 250 sites. Again, a great little tool. The functionality is phenomenal. I've had this tool forever. Last time I was in there, I think probably 75% of the sites worked. It flew right through. There's a bunch of built sites, but check it out. If you're into Web 2s, creating little mini networks easily and inexpensively, check out Autofill Magic. Let's keep going here. The next one is going to be a Russian tool. Super cool. Zeno Poster, and they actually have a automation that you can purchase for your Androids. I think they have Android desktop versions, but Zeno Lab, Zeno Poster is a way to automate any task on the internet. So no matter what you're doing, right? Maybe you want to set up some type of little bot or some type of little automation. If you just want to make your life a little bit easier, it's got a steep learning curve, but it's certainly a cool little program. A lot of little spin-off bots or little automations or scripts have been created with this. I've seen them in the marketplace. They have a marketplace that you can actually create in. Check this out. If you're into automation and being able to automate things, or maybe automate some type of CTR, or maybe you want to automate an Android device, this can certainly do it. Just note that there is a steep learning curve with this tool, zenolabs.com. Zenolab, my mistake. Let's keep going here. I'll talk about a few more here. Talking about speed, somebody shared this with me. I'm just going to put it in here because I think it could be very helpful for you. If you're looking to compress and clean up your websites, a really good friend of mine in my group actually shared this with me. If you're a WordPress user, you want to clean up the code, Asset Clean Up Pro. I have no idea why I wrote this down on my list, but I did, so I'm going to share it with you. It's not a black hat tool. It's just a cleanup, a performance tool, Asset Cleanup Pro. What this will do is really maximize the speed that your websites, it speeds up sites. Lightning fast. It's absolutely phenomenal. Definitely check this out. I had multiple people tell me that this is phenomenal. I have yet to try this one yet, but the sources it came from, definitely reliable. Check it out if you want to speed up your site. So let's keep going here. So I don't know why that's on the black hat list, but it made it anyway. Let's keep going here. So a last one here for my GMB black hatters out there. If you're looking for expired GMBs, if you're looking for, maybe email information, if you're looking to send out a lot of emails, or you're looking for maybe old Google business profiles or anything along those lines, again, this is going to be a searcher. It could be used as a, grayer hat type tool, and this is called D4 Lead Finder. All right. On the last project that I was working on, we utilized this tool quite consistently. What a great tool. I'm sorry, I wrote D4. It's D7. My mistake. I'm sorry. D7. I wrote 4 down. Well, it actually looks like a 7. Maybe it is. Chris, come on, Chris. I wrote it down. It is a 7. I must have wrote it really fast. But in any case, D7 Lead Finder, phenomenal tool. Definitely check it out. All right, so if you're looking for, again, how we were utilizing it was looking for emails along with email type information, but it also gives you a nice set of details, especially if you're trying to find maybe an expired GMB or any other type of data. Definitely doing email marketing or any type of cold outreach or anything along those lines, or you're looking for Google business profiles, stuff like that. All right, if you're in local markets trying to get leads, this could certainly help you out. I'll give you one last one. If you're looking for any type of little tiny bot, anything, just little odds and ends, and you're looking for maybe you're looking for somebody to produce a custom type solution for you, or perhaps you're just looking for a little, Bob, little, like little something, like a little task thing, right? Like something really cool, but sometimes a little bit, on the blacker hat side. Definitely check this out. It's called Appify. So there's a lot of talent on this particular platform, but there's everything you can think of is on here. Like, let's say, for instance, you're looking for here, I'll show you this right here. And I've used different little things. Let me see what, I think this profile I was using as a test. Yeah, so here you go. So they give you a couple bucks to try it out on. I have a few profiles What I have found though is you can get custom solutions. So I've utilized this particular platform to create custom solutions on a different account clearly. But what I'd like to show you is this. So whatever you're thinking of, okay, like maybe you want to do, I don't know, what's new? TikTok scraper, like anything that you want. Look at, there's there's two of them on here. So two different, it actually looks like the same person. One's free, one's not, but TikTok scraper, they have SoundCloud scrapers, like any type of little automation that you're looking for, some leaning more towards the gray area. This particular platform can help you out. It's definitely a gem. But with that being said, I walked through about 14 of them, 15 of them. My name's Chris Palmer. If you have any questions about gray hat SEO, black hat SEO, white hat SEO, anything SEO related, never hesitate. Feel free, go ahead and ask in the section below. And I always look forward to seeing you in the next Black Hat SEO Tools video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for your time. And don't forget, please, check us out at services.chrispalmermarketing.com. If there's anything at all that I can help you with, content, citations, press releases, backlinks, anything, never hesitate. Check us out over here. Consultations, we have training, masterminds, anything that I can help your business succeed, I will. It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.